Do you hear?
Is it turned on? I also have a lapel mic if you prefer that.
I can hear you. We can hear you.
I got you. Yes, good afternoon everyone. My name is Goutham. I'm here to present on the story on website. How website turns decades ago, how it was, and now how it was, and how the evolution of website is turned on. So my project presentation topic is story on website. Let's look what is website. So here is the first a website is similar to we have a lot of web pages. It will be dependent on a single URL or the domain name. It will be on like that. There is lot of web pages depends on single website. It is called as a domain or the web URL. Where is the URL came from? URL is came from www. It's a World Wide Web. It started on 1991. The first web page was launched or it came to the public, but it was started before 1989 when the team was he was in the CERN lab. He was looking for the website, he was on the new project, and he was looking for the project development, and he wanted to take to the other persons or the public the pages how it was done, what his project was doing. So he took the first website as URL domain. His domain is cern.ch. So how the cern.ch turns into millions or billions of the website now. So let's take a look on that. So, sorry, my bad. So here, this is just the domain name we are talking about right now. So Google, main thing, today Google is the #1 website as per the Alexa top ranking. So let's talk just look on the Google website right now. It was founded on 1998, but the domain was registered on 1997. So before an year, they registered the domain. So whatever, the project they are doing, the search engine, they took 1 year to create web pages to launch the domain. So they created a domain name google.com on 1997. They launched the web pages in 1998, and they came to the public on 1998, September 4th, they launched the google.com. So here the main thing is the domain is the main thing for the websites or web pages. Domain can use it for the web pages or the email accounts. We can use either way works. So without domain we can't display the web page. How can we display the web page without a domain or something? We want unique domain name to represent what we are. We have jsu.edu for our college. So we are representing JSU as jsu.edu. So the main organization or educational institution, anything, it works. But the domain name refers to anything, the business, organizational, educational purpose. So they will have some web pages for it. They will launch on the domain to represent them. So they launched on 1998, September 4th, Google. You can see the details on who is it's we can get some information with website, when they registered, when they updated last time. So this is the brief survey of the Google. So when is the first domain registered? The first domain registered was symbolics.com. It was in 1989. Sorry, 1985 it was registered. So now it is available for how the domains are registering. The live domain, they use for the live domain, but that's not 1 day late. If you register the domain right now, it can't show right now in the website. It shows 1 day late. So the symbolics.com is the first domain ever launched in the whole web. It was launched before the website was launched. The domain name was symbolics.com. Before it was based on the Java when the web was not launched. So today it was turned into the HTML pages when the World Wide Web came to the main aspect right now. So now here is how many websites what do you think? How many websites we have right now? Right now we have like 1.8 billion active websites in the world. So from there, like 180 million websites are like unique domains. We have like something like student.jsu.edu. That's also called a domain, but that's not a unique domain. It's on one double domain. It called like the domain on domain, the student.jsu.edu. So the unique domains we have the active is like 180 million active unique domains right now, as per the February 2018 Netcraft survey. They do survey every month, so this is like from years how they the website domains has registered as per the Netcraft survey. Right now we have 1.8, to be precise, like 1838596,056 sites. We can't even believe how many websites we have right now. So this is the, as I said, like the first website launch, the cern.ch. It is the web page link. The domain is cern.ch, but the web page the team was launched is the project.html. Right now it's available on the web also. They use for the World Wide Web project. They displayed the project in website. So this is the first website ever launched in 1991, August 6th. To the public, I'm saying, like they started the project in 1989, but to the public it available on like August 6, 1991. So there are like three standards of web: Web 1.0, Web 2.0, and Web 3.0. We will talk 3.0 later. So Web 1.0, before like Web 1.0 was like before 2004 we are talking about. When the Web 1.0 was, there is only hyperlinks, text and images. Only these are available. No graphics, no design pattern, and everything was like today we are using like a lot of design process and everything. So Web 2.0, what is Web 2.0? Web 2.0 is like user generated content. We can use like user can give some interaction thing. They can give some data. User can easily understandable. And whoever, even I don't have any knowledge on website before, how it looks like, how it gonna work. But if I see like Web 2.0 standard website, I can usually use the website without knowing any knowledge, without knowing any knowledge of computer. Even we can use the website with just single click. So it is a Web 2.0 standard. It's usability, interoperability. It's like the usage of the things. We can use some other domain data APIs we are using right now. It's everything comes under Web 2.0. We can use the other domain like jsu.edu. We are using some Blackboard version for studies. So we are using the Web 2.0 for the some other data from other sources too. So we are talking about Web 3.0. As I said, like Web 3.0 is totally different from the computer version. It's like mobile version, mobile web. Web 3.0 is called like web, like mobile web. We have, everyone has cell phone right now. We use with the single click. We are accessing the whole world right now. We can get everything on the mobile use. So the browser-based internet is like we use like mobile 3.0 version to get the same website from the Web 2.0. We are transferring it to the Web 3.0 to access in the small device with our like handheld device or something like smartphones. It can be accessible through the Wi-Fi or the like wireless networks and the mobile network like LTE and data networks I'm talking about. So this is how before eBay looks and eBay right now. It is the design standards, how the designs works. Like Web 1.0 don't have any design patterns. It totally depends on the text, links, and just images. It's like eBay in 1995 and how the eBay looks now. It's the totally design was changed. How the evolution of website changed. So let's look on what the main aspects of the website changed. It's totally like the design, functionality, mobile responsive, personalization. What's the design? Design is like what we want to design. Like we want some user experience, how the user feel when they see the website. They looks nice. If we see like the same text, you can see how it looks, how odd it looks just with the text. So now with the images, with some artificial designing thing, so we can look the eBay. It looks better right now. So that's the main thing for the design and the functionality too, how the functionality works. So we cannot access the things. We have to search everything for the what is they are selling, what is they are looking. But now we can access with the same links. Links we can sign in. User can log in. User can buy something. How the functionality changes. So mobile responsive. What I said, we will talk the mobile responsive later on. Let's look on the personalization right now. Personalization looks. Everyone has their own design standards. I want some website like something in my mind. My dream has to looks like some design thing, animations, some Star Wars theme. I want like that. So you may prefer the other thing. You want some cool background. So everyone has their own personalization. They can design their own website in their own personalization. So latest web design process, how the web design process right now. It was like, first we're going to plan something so we can implement to the user experience. We're going to study the user, how the user wants the website. Then we can get some lot of traffic. As per I said, the Google was like top #1 website as per the Alexa ranking. It means it was top one because of their user standards, user experience, and their usability. We can easily understand how to search, and everyone knows the Google because of the usability is like very easy to use. So that's what we can use like user experience, the coding thing, and the implementation, validation. Like validation means sign up and login things have the validation. We don't need like some of the hacking things happen. Some of the hacking things is happening right now because of the validation errors. So it's the latest web design process. Let's go on to next slide. This is the responsive web design. So content is like water. Wherever we can pour the water, it turns like that. So the content is totally like that. So we can use for the whole this TV and the laptop and the mobile version. We can design the whole thing in the single web HTML page. So it means like it's a responsive web design, the latest web trend right now. We can't get like web 2.0 and 3.0 separately. We get everything together right now with the responsive web design. So content can turn everything to the computer, iPads, and the mobile versions with the same page. So what's the future website trends like? The expressive typography, how the fonts looks like, how the typography works is like, what's the link look like, links design look like, and what is the font size, what is the font type. It works on the typography and the animated logos and scroll trigger animation. It's like, so nowadays it's like the logo is just a simple image, but nowadays it's like something new. It's like animated logos, some cool effects, the background of the logo, it can trigger like the animation, and with the scroll thing also. We can add animation, scroll trigger animation. It means like when we scroll that, it's gonna change the totally to the another website. So it can, if we see the Mac users, if we slide the web pages, it can go to the back or the front of the web pages. So Internet of Things, how Internet of Things works, it's like the fingerprint access. If you see the fingerprint access, if we keep the fingerprint access to the mobile, it goes to the website automatically with the scanner. So this is how Internet of Things work, and the virtual reality video. We can see the real video in front of us with the virtual reality video thing, and the chatbots, AI and machine learning. This is the latest trend, how it works, the chatbots. Without we are there, they're gonna reply us in regard of us. So the seamless interactions, voice user interface, and the search with the voice Siri. Everyone knows the Siri because of like iPhone thing. We can search coolly with the Siri, with the help of Siri. So what's the conclusion? Conclusion, like since the mobile turns like fully integrated into website, so we're gonna change totally the website design to the web mobile standard. So how it can be turned? So the virtual reality, the machine learning comes to the mobile website too. So everything comes to the website. Right now we can use the scanning, the camera, hardware gonna access to the mobile website too. So everything works with the website. The hardware and the software gonna combine together to make a website. Right now this is the history of website. So thank you all. Any questions?
Questions?
Yes.